Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying on the Ice Cream Beauty Box for September 2022. I'm so excited for this box. The palette in here is gorgeous. I can't wait to play around with it. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, girl, I would love to have you subscribe. But yeah, we're just gonna like pull our hair back and get started. Of course, we're gonna start with the eyes. Girl, I always start with the palette. You know, it's the start of the show for me. I love eyeshadow palettes. I'm an eyeshadow palette collector. If you've been watching me, you already know. So you know I'm super excited for this. But look at the packaging. So this is from the Beauty Crop. I've never tried any eyeshadow palettes from them. I've only tried one other product from the Beauty Crop, and that was out of the Slay Glam box. So it was their cream blush and powdered duo. Loved it. It was beautiful. So I'm so excited to try this out. So this is the Dawn Gazings palette, and it retails for $15. Look at how gorgeous. Like when I first seen pictures of it, I was like, ooh, that kind of looks like a Valentine-ish palette to me. But seeing it in person, it's definitely a fall time palette. The tones in here are definitely more darker, fallish tones than your Valentine's Day. But this glitter, girl, that one's catching my eye. I'm like, we're probably gonna have to try out that glitter today because it looks stunning. I already have my lids primed, so I think I'm gonna start with Sunrise, and I'm gonna put that in my transition area. This shade is blending out so nicely. It's not patchy. It's building up. The pigment is there. So I think I'm on the outer corner. I'm gonna use Twilight. So Twilight is definitely coming off more of your like burgundy purplish shade, and this is a really pretty color. I mean, these are just blending out so nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up some of this Pandora shade, and I'm just gonna press it onto, oh my god, that's so pretty, onto the glitter glue here. Definitely a chunky glitter. I'm just gonna bring it up. I don't know how it's gonna act when I try to blend though, because it is so chunky. Yeah, it's just kind of flaking everywhere as I'm trying to blend a little bit, even though I have glitter glue on. It's definitely messy for a glitter. Not my favorite glitter. So I think I'm going to take Ariel and blend it out a little bit. I should have probably put Ariel down first and then put the glitter, because can you see it's even with the glitter glue, it's like very chunky. It's separating already. This glitter is a hot mess, girl. I don't know. It's pretty, but it's very chunky. Oh my god. All right, I'm just gonna try to keep going with it. I'm gonna try to keep going. Do not, if you use this glitter, do your face makeup first, because girl, you're gonna have it everywhere. The mattes in the palette I really like. Really pretty. Not so crazy about this glitter though. It's not that great of a glitter. So let's go ahead and highlight with Aurora. Another reason why I wanted to not do my face makeup first was because I wanted to try out this Girl Lactic Smudge Eraser Stick, and this retails for $17. So basically you're supposed to be able to use this for whatever mistakes that you make, and you're supposed to rub this on. So I'm just going to clean up my eyeshadow with it and see if it works. So I guess you would have to clean this every time too, because it's getting crap all over it. And then you're supposed to take a Q-tip and wipe it away. Okay. It is working. I don't know how you would use this for your eyeliner unless you use it, like you're not going to be able to do your face makeup. And that's normally how I do my makeup. I normally put all my face makeup on first. But you're not gonna be able to do that because it's gonna wipe away whatever you rub it on. I guess it does work. It does what it says anyway. I don't really see this as something that I'm gonna reach for that much. So yeah, you know. So I'm gonna jump off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be back so that way we can try out this pretty little palette from the Beauty Crop. Okay girl, I'm back. I got the rest of my makeup done. We are about to use the Beauty Crop Cocoa Rose Blush Palette, and this retails for $15, which is pretty good. So I think I'm gonna use probably a mixture of these two, which is Passion Fruit and Tiki Rose. Now with the other, cream blushes, these are very pigmented, so you don't need a whole lot. I mean, very pigmented, but they are really pretty. So we also got two gel liners from Appeal. Now these retail for $42 for both of them, which is very pricey. But this dark brown one is Deep Taupe and this other one is called Muse. So I'm just going to use them as lip liners. I'm not going to use them as eyeliners. I really like the brown shade for a lip liner. That's really pretty. And I'm just going to fill in with this color. These are really pretty together as a lipstick and they're so creamy. I do like that a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the lower lash line, and I think for the lower lash line I'm going to use Twilight. So the last item that we got is this clay mask, this turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. Nice glass jar. And this is the My Skinny mask, and this retails for $40. So I'm probably going to use this tonight, girl, after I take my makeup off, because I really do want to try it. I come with this small brush, and I do not see me using this brush to put it on with because it's super tiny. Maybe to go around your eyes and your mouth and stuff. It's really nice. I mean, I don't mind getting a skincare product like this for sure. Okay, so I'm going to do my mascara and I will be back with my final thoughts. Okay, girl, so I got my mascara done. This is the completed look. Oh, not really loving the glitter, I have to say. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is like creasing pretty bad. And I use the NYX glitter glue. Never really have an issue using NYX glitter glue, but this glitter is pretty chunky, so I'm just not a fan of the glitter in here. The rest of the shades are beautiful. So for the My Skinny mask, I'm hoping that it should be pretty good. I usually like to use mask once a week, so it'll be a good one to add into rotation here. This palette here is gorgeous. I love the packaging to it. The shades in here are really pretty. I love their blush. Like I said, I got this blush from them out of the Slay Glam box, and the cream blush in here is gorgeous. It blends out very nicely. I love it. And this brand's very affordable. I mean, $15. I'm definitely going to be checking into some more things from them. Okay, so the Girl Lactic Smudge Eraser Stick. It's okay. I mean, I guess it did what it was supposed to. I don't see how you're supposed to have your makeup already done and then go in to use this, because it's going to remove whatever makeup is on your face. I just really don't see me, you know, reaching for the product. I don't see me reaching for it. These gel liners, I absolutely love these gel liners. They are on the pricey side, but girl, that's the great thing about getting a subscription box, is that you're going to get products and try products that I would never spend $42 on two lip liners. But you know, that's what I love about the boxes. Ice Cream came through for us, got us a nice item from Appeal. The colors I absolutely love. These are totally my colors, and I will definitely be using these for sure. But yeah, overall, I really loved this month's Ice Cream Beauty Box for September. I thought it was pretty decent. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.